Oh, the markets crashed out down 267 points. This is Dez here at Grok Trade, and it is nothing short of a bloodbath out there in the markets. You have the S&P down 2.09%. Wow. Down 1.62%. NASDAQ off a whopping, a staggering, bloody 3.1% in the red. Russell's off by 2.8%. Banks off by 2.73%. Ouch. VIX spiking. I mean, a significant spike of 15% to the north. Up, knock at the door at 16. Gold at more than 0.5%. Same goes for silver. Crude oil at break even. US dollar at break even. Trend closing at 2.37. Very bearish. End of the day. Transportation index off by more than 2%. Utilities off by 0.5%. Anyways, take a look here at the S&P 500. Had this little drop while I was on vacation. Yesterday we had this nice little pop off of a little support area here, a little hammer-like candlestick reversal pattern, little pop, and we didn't quite make it to my resistance areas. I thought come crashing back down below the 20-day moving average and the 50-day moving average and a support line. Ouch, big time trouble. Now the MACD below the zero line, crossing over and heading southbound. Ouch. If you look here at the weekly chart, here's the problem with the weekly chart. It's Thursday. We have one more trading day. If we have a red day closing out the week, the markets will start to drop significantly. That is huge. I'm calling it now. Mark that down on a piece of paper. What the markets have to do tomorrow is rally back and get, oh boy, I would say it needs to get, give me my data up here. Blow this up so we can see it. This is huge. So Friday we need to rally back and get above 1845. We need to be at or above 1845. It has to get there. If it does not, woe to the markets. I'm going to put a little red line right there at that area. Needs to get 1844, 1845. Really needs to get there or above to close out the week, to keep us above this trend line. If not, woe to the markets. That 20-week moving average will have been pierced. Chances are it will have been pierced, and then it should only drift southbound for several weeks. NASDAQ. Oh man, check this out. So I thought it would get right here. We talked about it yesterday. Right here at the resistance, watch for it to drop, boom, to the downside. That's just a nasty drop. We do have a bullish divergence so on the MACD. Taking a look at the banks, double top M for murder, and there she drops. Big time drop. VIX, nice spike, boom, to the upside here. The weekly chart, we had a pop. So anytime we get to this 200-week moving average, it usually comes right back down. We'll see if that holds true. Gold, bear pullback. Here we are at the 38.2. Look to sell gold. Silver, look how crazy this pattern is. Gap up red, gap down white. Gap up red, gap down white. I mean, that's a crazy pattern. Been trading 16 years, and that's very unique pattern. And let's take a look at Apple, more than 1% off. I thought we would get a little more of a rally here, but the markets just kept Apple down. Amazon was off more than 4%. I thought we would see Amazon with upside potential here, but now we have done nothing but come right back down. So I'm going to tweak that trend line, which makes those trend lines parallel. Just more downside potential here. Facebook off more than 5%. Just nastiness out there. Big bearish engulfing pattern. Google off by 3.6%. There's our bear pullback. Hanging man, look for downside potential, I said, and there it is. LinkedIn is off by 3.5%. Resistance and dropping. However, it's falling wedge. We could be looking for upside potential soon. Microsoft off by 2.7%. I thought we'd come up here and do the kiss of death there, but it's so weak we couldn't even get up there. It's dropped. Netflix off by more than 5%. There's your bear pullback and a drop. Finding some sort of support, 200-day moving average. Twitter off by 2.7%. What a mess. But now we're caught up between two trend lines. Be interesting to see what that thing does. And last but not least, what you want to do, if you still have spots available, actually tonight from 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. we do have a class. You want to join that. Trading Foundations, why trading is not gambling. We're going to get into some really cool concepts. I think you'll enjoy it. If you can't make tonight, I'm going to put this on again tomorrow at 1 p.m. I'm teaching this. Then I'm on deck to do it at 10:30 a.m. on Saturday. So you're going to be hearing a lot from me in the next couple of days. So anyway, see if you can get signed up for one of those classes. If this one's full, just get into some other one. Hope you can join us. And listen, if you're logging into the website, we've had an issue. You may have to reset your password. No problem. But you know what? Sorry for the inconvenience having to reset your password. Maybe it's a good thing anyway with the Heartbleed exploit that's out there on the internet if you've been watching the news. So anyway, never hurts to change a password from time to time. Take care. See you later. Share us with a friend.